To make a Bank of America credit card payment, start by gathering your credit card information and payment details. You will need your credit card account number, payment amount, and payment method. Bank of America offers several payment methods, including online payments, phone payments, mobile payments, mail payments, and in-person payments at a Bank of America branch or ATM. For online payments, log into your Bank of America account at the official website. Navigate to the Payments tab and select the credit card account you want to pay. Enter the payment amount and choose your payment method, which can be a checking or savings account from Bank of America or another bank. To make a payment by phone, call the Bank of America customer service number and follow the automated prompts to make a payment. You will need to provide your credit card account number and payment information. For mobile payments, download the Bank of America mobile app and log in to your account. Navigate to the Payments tab, select the credit card account, and enter the payment amount. If you prefer to make a payment by mail, send a check or money order with your credit card account number to the address listed on your credit card statement. To avoid late fees, make sure to make your payment on or before the due date. It is also important to keep a record of your payment, including the payment date, amount, and method. By following these steps, you can easily make a Bank of America credit card payment and stay on top of your finances. Remember to always review your credit card statement and payment history to ensure accuracy and detect any potential errors. In addition to making payments, it is also important to monitor your credit card account activity regularly to prevent fraud and identify any suspicious transactions. By taking these steps, you can effectively manage your Bank of America credit card account and maintain good credit habits.